Hi kids, it's Mrs. Compton, and today we are going to do a what do you know about this? So just take a moment. What do you know about this image here? Tell me all the things that you know. I bet some of you said it's a 10 frame. So you're right, it is a 10 frame. And I bet some of you said it's all the way filled in. And you're right, it is all the way filled in. I also have another guess that some of you may have said there are two rows. There's one row and there's two rows. And I bet some of you even thought, I know each row has 5 dots and together they make 10. I just listened to another kindergartner who said they saw 10 dots, but they counted by twos. Can you believe that? So some kids even saw, hey, it has, let's see how many groups of 2 there are. Let's see. There's one group of 2, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups of 2 make 10. So I'm going to play a game called Flash with you. Maybe you've done this in the classroom before. Maybe you haven't. What we're going to do is I'm going to show you quickly some dots in a 10 frame, and you have to tell me how many dots you see and how you know. All right, so get your blinks out, everybody. This is going to be a quick flash. So here we go. Ready? Okay, I'm going to show you one more time. Okay, on the count of 3, tell me how many dots you saw. 1, 2, 3, tell me. Did you say 5? I bet you said 5, and I bet you knew it was 5 because half of the 10 frame was filled in. So we only had one row of dots, and you probably saw that was 5, and you were right. Okay, we are going to do another one. Are you ready? Get your blanks out. Here we go. I'm going to put in my new dots. Gotta blink your eyes. Get ready. Okay, ready? Here we go. Okay, one more time. Okay, how many dots did you see? On the count of 3, tell me. 1, 2, 3, tell me. Did you see 9 dots? Let's see. It looked just like this. All right. So how did you know there were 9 dots? How did you see the 9 dots? I bet some of you said, I knew the top was 5 and the bottom was 4 dots. So maybe you said, I counted on from 5 and did 6, 7, 8, 9. Or my guess is some of you probably said, hey, I knew the whole thing was worth 10 and 1 dot was missing. So 10 minus that 1 dot would make 9. Did anyone see it that way? Tell me in the comments if you did, because I want to know how you saw the dots. Okay. Did anyone think about it as 5 plus 4? So 5 plus 4 dots makes 9. Maybe you saw it that way. All right. Let's get ready for our next one. Here we go. I'm going to draw my dots on here. Woo. I'm going to give you a hard one this time, I think. I think you're ready. All right. Get my dots. Are you blinking your eyes? You better be blinking your eyes. All right. Here we go. Blinks out. Okay. How many dots do you see? Think about it. Okay, I'm going to show you once more. Ready? How many dots did you see? And how did you know? I think this time I'm going to redraw what it was up here so we can all look at it together. So this time there were 2 10 frames that had dots. And this time I was sneaky. I had some dots filled in on one 10 frame and some dots filled in on another 10 frame. So maybe, I'm going to guess, maybe you saw this as 8 because you knew there were 10. It would be 10 if these were there, but you said, oh, these two are missing, so this must be 8, and this one must be 3. So maybe you did 8 plus 3 makes 11. Maybe you were sneaky deaky. I bet some of you were sneaky deaky. Some of you probably took this dot and moved it there, and this dot and moved it there. Did anyone do that? Did anyone fill in the 10 frame in their mind? So this dot went away and it moved up here. So then you had a 10 and just 1 left. So 8 plus 3 makes 11, but so does 10 plus 1. So maybe you just moved the dots around. I don't know. That's kind of fun. I bet some of you may have seen it that way. All right, kids, I have a story problem for you today. So I want to give you a challenge with the numbers. So I want you to make sure you pick your just right number set when we are looking at the story today. Okay, are you ready? Here it is. This story is all about chocolate bunnies. Everybody say, chocolate bunnies. I hope you like chocolate bunnies. Okay, so this story is, you can imagine it in your mind as I read. I had, chocolate bunnies. My dad gave me, more bunnies. How many chocolate bunnies do I have in all? All right, so let's see, what do we know for sure? I'm going to guess that you would say, you know for sure that we started with some chocolate bunnies, so we had some to start. And I'm going to guess you would say, you know for sure Dad came in. He must have been in a good mood, and he gave you even more chocolate bunnies. And we're trying to find out how many chocolate bunnies we have all together. All right, kids, we're going to find out our just right number set. So if you would like to choose this number set, the 2 would go here and the 4 would go here. So that's one option. Or you might choose 2 and 9. Or you might choose 9 and 12. Or you might choose 14 and 19. So if you want to do this one today, the 9 would go here. And the 12 would go here because it's the second number set. And you can think about how you would solve. Try to make your strategies as best as you can. And kids, I want to remember, you can use things around your house to use as math tools. So if you don't have your math tools at home, like we would in school, which you probably don't, you can go find Legos around the house, or you can find coins around the house. You can use those as your math tools. I actually have little counting bears at my house, so I can use these to help me solve my math problems. All right, kids, are you ready? It's time for you to do the solving, and you're going to turn in your work to your teacher however she wants you to do so. So check with her. All right, guys, I'll see you next time. Bye.